60 cal, I'm aiming for your dome, aiming right now.
And I be fucking rebellious. I don't give a fuck, wish a nigga would, bitch. I chop a nigga up, serve him to the wolves quick. Watch the fucking Chinese people telling to their mama shit. Damn, I'm so fucking crazy. I don't know what the fuck is wrong with my mental. I'm fucking rebellious. I told you that, my nigga. I will come in this bitch like the live force, nigga. Like this bitch up, watch me shoot it up. I don't give a fuck, I can get him, bruh. Blow up the way just to get it, bruh. I know some niggas that'll fucking kill him, bruh.
I'm that nigga, and I'm turned up. Your niggas think I'm playing, but I'm about to go get the burner. I don't give a fuck. Nigga, don't give a fuck. You talk down, I slice you up with a machete. Slice you up, y'all niggas know I'm the motherfucking man. Come around, I got that thing in my hand. I talk down, I let the bitch spray. And that thing is a K. I don't give a fuck, I put it to your face. Put you down to your motherfucking knees. Niggas, man, please, nigga, pray to me. I am God, I am the G. I don't give a fuck, nigga, what's going on. And you know that I'm blowing strong. I don't give a damn, go hard or go home. And I'm going full Dorado, fucking models, popping bottles, that's what I do. I don't give a fucking bobble. Look, fuck about them, I am the problem. The police can't solve this. Niggas think I'm playing. I'm about to evolve, bitch. Something like a Pokemon. Something like a Pokemon. Pikachu and Raichu. Nigga, I am sick. I chew. So my nigga said, bless you. But I said, fuck it. Fuck with my nigga Kurt. And my nigga Pooh. And my nigga JoJo. We keep bad hoes. And I'm in the Tahoe. Look. Sitting in the Tahoe, sitting on 30s, and y'all niggas know got a yellow bone. Long hair, she thick, and she got a bitch. Her bitch got a bitch. So we the shit. So I'm riding around 6 deep, and it's me and about 6 bitches. Y'all niggas know I'm riding around, I'm getting it. And I stay up in that kitchen. Yo hoe is doing the dishes, and I'm flipping chicken. Fucking bad bitches, go.
Yeah, fucking bad bitches. This is what I fucking do. Fuck them bitch niggas. I don't give a fuck about them, I don't really care. Go ahead and roll up, smoke up. Look me in my eyes, never see a hole, bruh. Damn, and I got them niggas shook like I'm Jehovah. It don't really matter, you will get popped, nigga, I'm in the hold up. Everybody turn up, fuck it. I turn up, I go in. Everybody know I go in. I got the 4/5 and it's pointing at me. I don't really give a fuck. I'm on the money scheme. Get them fucking dollars. Stack up that green. Nigga, I don't really give a fuck. Your girl next, I'm in between getting her. And she fucking about to come. And I'm about to fucking get a fat nut. It don't really matter. I'm in the back room. Smoking on mouth. I'm feeling real wild. Nigga, roll up so motherfucking loud. Yeah, I'm feeling proud. Yeah, I'm with them niggas. Them niggas pull triggers. We don't give a fuck, niggas.
I'm Joe starting, man.
Y'all niggas know what's up. Don't fuck around and slip up. I'm coming around, I'm getting it. I'm riding around, I'm getting it. Fuck bad bitches, and y'all know what we doing in the kitchen. On the kitchen counter. On the kitchen counter. Y'all niggas think I'm playing? Fuck it, I'm on one. On 1,000 True Religion trousers. I don't give a fuck, nigga. Fuck you or about you. I don't give a fuck who with you. I got that chopper. Niggas know my name. I'm hotter than hot lava. Fuck it, nigga, and I'm hyper than that nigga Flocka. Fuck it, I'm bout it. Fuck that nigga Walker. Y'all niggas know my name. That nigga switching lanes in a brand new fucking range, and I'm coming for your brain. Nigga, I'm that nigga took your chain. Y'all niggas think y'all playing? But y'all niggas y'all fake. No, y'all niggas y'all fake. And I'm counting all this cake, and I'm eating all this cake. Talk down, there is no escape. Fuck y'all niggas, y'all niggas know I'm getting with it. I don't give a fuck, bitch. You can catch your issues.
And I be the one to take some fucking pictures. And watch some fucking cops out, mind your body and talk. Yeah, we fucking talk. All my niggas got that fucking money like we living on boardwalk. And we got the fucking green jobs. We try to eat jobs, that girl picture like green jobs like Popeye. We getting it, think I'm heavy strong. 300 men couldn't hold my arm down.
I'm the best. Ain't nothing fucking funny. I'm stacking paper. I got monopoly money. Y'all niggas know what's up and you can't take shit from me. Nigga, I'm the only one, number one B. Yeah, you talking to the kid. Nigga from rag to riches. You talking to the shit. Goddamn nigga, I'm the shit. And I got this fucking glitz. That is my fucking wrist. With the hollow tips. Nigga 16. And I got one in the chamber. Y'all niggas think I'm playing, nigga. I turn you into an angel. Goddamn, what the fuck? And I can't control my anger. So, nigga, back up. I don't blame you. Nigga, don't blame me. I'm the motherfucking same. He told y'all niggas know what I'm about this show. Y'all niggas don't go to the doctors. Goddamn, y'all niggas know my name. Goddamn, I bring that pain. I don't really give a fuck. Hang the nigga around this neck my chain. Goddamn, it's the party. Let me get it started. Y'all niggas think I'm playing. I'm going stupid retarded. Fuck this shit. Fuck the bad yellow bitch. Hit it up from the back. And now she on my dick. Goddamn, nigga, my flow is so sick. Y'all think I'm playing, but niggas know they ain't fucking with the kids. So, look, I'm about to grab the fucking chopper. Hop up in the chopper, and then I'm gon' chop you. Niggas know what I'm on. Niggas know I'm blowing strong. Woo! On that fucking loud, call me Ric Flair. Y'all niggas know what I'm talking about. About to F.U. John Cena, WWE. Meet me in the arena. Yup, I never seen her, but when I see her, turn on the lights so I can treat her like Trainer. Yup, cause she got the fattest ass that I wanna hit. Look, I wanna fucking stab her.
Look, I got a bitch with a fucking fat ass. Only think I wanna put the fucking smash. It don't really matter that bitch I will pass. And I got the big money cash. I'm in the jag and I'm going ham. Everybody know I go ham. I go in, I go stupid, I go retarded like my nigga said.
Damn, I'm going ham. I'm the twofold in the booth. I'm JoJo. Never be a hoe. So true to the game. I came from rags from riches. Keeping frauds and snitches. A star still a high, never be. Grew up the mind of the industry. I'm only out the floss. Just like Rick Ross. I'm the motherfucking boss. I'm the boss.